Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on dynamic back order on your account on Telegram. Easy and quick. First click on these three lines and now click settings. Now click short settings, and now here you will find stickers and emoji settings. Click on it, and here you will find it dynamic back order. Just click on it like this and it will be turned on. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.